Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. How much is too much for a smartphone? Now, keep in mind, I'm willing to pay top dollar because this is my primary computer. This is very much my PC, my very personal computer, because I can't shove a giant system into my pocket. I can shove this into my pocket. But how much is too much? For me, I would just say give me the best experience I could possibly get, and I am pretty picky as far as those software experiences are concerned, especially for my primary daily driver personal computer, right? But for the average person, what's too much? I would go as far as to say $500 is too much for a smartphone for most people today. Now, I know you're going, how is that even possible? You can't get the latest iPhone with that. Yeah, but the iPhone SE is more than good enough. A Pixel, or let's just say, we're not even just the latest Pixel, the A series. Not just the latest A series, but an A series once removed is more than enough smartphone for most people. So I know that the entire industry is driving toward, well, I can't say that, maybe not the entire industry, but we always, nerds and geeks tend to drive towards the latest, the fastest, all the newest. But for most people, 90% of the folks out there, I think $500 on up may be too much to be spending on something, because for them, everything above and beyond that may very well be a law of diminishing returns. So let me ask you this. What do you believe is too much to spend on a smartphone? How much have you ever spent on a smartphone? And do not ask me the same question, because I'm embarrassed to give you the answer.